के तौर पे मैं जनाब प्रकाश राज जी से निवेदन करता हूँ, प्रकाश राज जी आवाज में पूरे आप अगर देख लें कि आज के
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Kumar, for calling me here. You have asked me to talk about the person whom I wish and dream I don't have intend to talk after a few months. What do I talk about Modi ji? Do I talk about when there are no elections, he is a non-resident Indian, globe-trotting, going to different countries. When there are elections, he is a resident Indian. Or a driver who promised this country that he will take us ahead, and he is so busy with his U-turns every time he says something and leads us nowhere. Or for the child in me, he reminds me of this Vikram and Beta. That if he doesn't say, utter 100 lies in a day, his head will break. So I believe he gets up in the morning, has a cup of tea and says a good coffee. Just poses and says he's doing yoga. So he has to complete, the child in me is seeing him like that. What have I seen in the last 4.5 years where I was a very comfortable citizen of this country who started as a dreamer and became an actor, producer, director. Then I thought I will start some foundation and try to share the world with what I have extra. But in this 4.5 years, I witnessed the killing of the worker, Pansare, Kalburgi. And one fine day I could see that body on my doorsteps. Gauri was killed. I have seen farmers walking up to the agrarian crisis, and a man who's deaf to it is more worried about how many states he will rule. I have nothing much to talk about this man, but to see him out of that place soon. But let's talk clear. I'm seeing Vemula's mother in the streets of Delhi trying to say another Vemula should not happen in this country. And I'm seeing Nazim's mother searching for her son even now. This is what Modi has done. I'm very anguished, very painful, but very resolved to fight this man. I come out of my comfort zone. These people divert, they ask us to forget things. They think that we forget things. We have seen lynchings. We have seen films banned. We have seen threats. Recently we saw a BJP state president in Kerala saying that Shabarimala is a golden opportunity to do politics. We are seeing it. And they are not comfortable with people like me because I don't belong to any political party. I represent the voice of a citizen. Because I had said when they killed Gauri that we will not bury Gauri, we will sow her so that voices like me will rise strong. And today, from this stage, I would like to ask the citizens, request the citizens to think in context of the recent incident of the killing of an SP. The truth has come out that a Bajrang Dal chief complains. Investigative report says they don't know where the cow meat came from. And the cases complaint filed against 6 people, out of them 2 were 11 and 12-year-old children. One has not visited that place for the last 10 years. And the 3, God knows where they are. What we as citizens of this country should understand is who is emboldening such violence. Who is emboldening such hatred? Who is emboldening people to instill fear in us? And it's our job, such meetings, such coming together, should tell them that more you try to stop voices, they will grow louder and louder and louder. And I thank Modi for only one thing, for bringing all of us together. For introducing me, whom I would have never met, the young voices of this country, like Kanaya Kumar, like Oman Khalid, like Shaila Rashid, like Jignesh Mewani, like you people, you and me have come together. It's time that we the citizens think, realize their politics, and we strongly say that we will abide by the Constitution. We will take care of our country. Thank you.